In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money online in 2023 using a specific weird niche that's been around for a long time, but you've probably never heard of this niche before. Now, this is perfect for beginners, and I'm going to take you through everything step by step and show you exactly how this works. And there are loads of people on the internet right now making money online in this weird niche. What I'm going to do is take you through everything so you don't miss out on any of the information and you know exactly what to do. And not only that, I'm going to show you all of the tools that you need to actually get this method going. Part of this method is actually one of the ways that I make money online. And I have been using this specific method for the last 10 years to make a full-time income online. Before we jump into this tutorial, guys, I'm still giving away access to my courses. What you need to do is find the emoji in this video, smash that like button, comment below what that emoji is, and I'll pick a winner in the next video. Let's jump into this tutorial and I'll show you how to make money on the internet with this weird niche. Let's get started. All right, guys, so we're going to jump into this new niche that we've never talked about on this channel before, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works step by step. So pay attention because we do have quite a bit to get through in this video. So as you can see on the screen, we have a boat website here, and you're probably thinking, why are we on a website about boats? Now, this is actually a boat website for insurance. So people go to Boat US and they go and get insurance. For example, you can go and get a quote for insurance policies. And what this does is you can go ahead and choose a marine insurance policy. And what this does is people can go and get a marine insurance policy for their boat or other types of water vehicles. I'm assuming jet skis and things like that. And what we can actually do is we can make money from this. And there is a lot of money to be made. And I'll explain to you exactly how. What we can do is we can go and be an affiliate where we would get a commission for promoting this particular insurance company. And I'll show you how to get the traffic and everything in a second. But first, let's just go over how much you could potentially make. And this isn't the only website that we can actually sign up to. So if you register for this, you can email them. But essentially, you can earn $10 per basic membership sold, $20 for the unlimited freshwater, and then $25 per unlimited saltwater or gold towing membership. And then you can add an extra $5 if they get an unlimited trailer asset service is added to any of the above membership sales. So you could earn up to $30 for every member that joins this website. And this website is a boat insurance website, as you can see here. But not only that, we can actually use a website called OfferVault as well to find loads of other insurance companies in different niches. So if I go into here and put in insurance and I click on search, it will come up with health insurance, mostly health insurance, but I think we can also find RV insurance. There is over how many pages do we have here? We have 38 pages of different insurance offers that we could go ahead and promote. So that's insane. There is a lot of money to be made in the insurance space. As you can see for this one, for example, actually, what I'll do is I'll show you a RV one. So this is an RV related one. So what I'll do is I'll show you one in the RV space, recreational vehicle, to stay on the same topic. On this one, you would get $11 per lead. Now that could be a phone call or an email. It depends on the specific product, but that's what you would get per lead. That's insane. That is very high. And this is a insurance company for recreational vehicles. So how can you go ahead and make money doing this? Let me show you how to get the traffic and get started. So the first step you want to do is you want to go ahead and find a specific niche. Now it can be any type of niche like boats, caravans, cars, anything like that. You can find one, or you can use something like ChatGPT to find a niche. Once you find a niche, what you want to do is you want to go and find the top website in that niche. So the one that is essentially the big dog. So for this one, for example, I went with boats, and Trailer Valet was one of the top ones. Then what I did is I went over to Ahrefs, which is a software that we can use, and I put in that website. And then I clicked on organic keywords. And what it does is it tells us all of the organic keywords that this specific website is getting its traffic from. So if we scroll down to here, it says boats under 20K. They get a large percentage of their traffic from there. And if we click on that, it takes us to this, and this is the article right here. So essentially we can go and do our own version of this, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Now we're not going to go and do best boats under 20,000. what we're going to do is we're going to take this idea, which is best boats under 20K, and we're going to do our own version like best boats under 30,000, for example. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now go over to ChatGPT and I'm going to use it to create some content for me. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell it to write me an article. All right, so this is ChatGPT and it can create content for us that we can use. Now, the reason why I didn't just straight ahead copy this and go best boats under 20,000 is because I don't want to just copy them exactly. So I did best boats under 30,000. You can go and do 20,000 if you like. It's really up to you. But ChatGPT is going to go ahead and create us the exact content that we need. So what are you going to do and where are you going to put this specific content? The first thing you're going to do is go ahead and start your own website, and you can use something like Bluehost, and you can get a link below that will get you to your own Bluehost account, or you could start a free website if you like. There's lots of free website generators online, but I'm going to use one of my own websites right now to show you how to get this to work. But you could use Bluehost to start your own website. The next step I would recommend is downloading this theme here from these guys called Acabado. Now, Acabado is specifically designed for these types of websites that we're going to be actually creating. Okay, and this is one of their websites right here in the RV niche, and it looks very, very clean. So this is what we are going to be using. And I've actually got it on my site that I'm going to show you in this example. So now we have our content, which is right here, the best boats for under $30,000. And this is all optimized. You can optimize that a little bit yourself. So the first thing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and this is my website right here. I have my website open, ready to go. So you need to add a title to your article. But more importantly, this must be optimized for search engine optimization. So our keyword, for example, is going to be best boats under 2K. So we're going to go ahead and do under 30K. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put best boats under 20K, the 30K for 2023 that are cheap on gas. Now, obviously, I don't know if these are cheap on gas because I didn't ask ChatGPT to do that, but you can ask ChatGPT to do that for you, okay? Now, all you need to do now is go ahead and copy in the content. Now, you would want to put pictures and things like that, but I'm just going to copy it straight in for this example and show you. And I'm going to paste this into here. And then I'm going to go save draft to save this draft. And this is how easy this is, right? I'm now going to go preview on desktop. And you will see this is the theme right here, Acabado. And you can see it's now generated this content for us using this beautiful theme that works really well with this type of content. And that is the Acabado one. Now, you're probably thinking, how do you actually make money? Well, you're going to go ahead and rank for specific keywords and stuff like that. But more importantly, you need to go ahead and put your affiliate link into the content, into the article. So your affiliate link, and that could be by banners, links, and stuff like that. So what you would do is you would sign up to this company right here, and you would go and get your affiliate link from this insurance company, and you could potentially earn up to $30. However, if you actually go to this one right here, and we look at this RV one, for example, what I'll do is I will show you some examples real quick before we go. I'll get rid of this here because you've seen it. And this is it here. So this is the draft version of it. And you can see it's really, really nice, right? So we've created the content. But more importantly, we can do a couple of things. We can also use ChatGPT and say, give me the 10 best boat insurance. We can say, give me the 10 best boat insurance affiliate programs. And ChatGPT can actually give us other options as well if you don't want to use that one. They give us a boat US first, then they give us Progressive affiliate program. So I think Progressive is a insurance company. Allstate boat insurance as well. And then we've got Geico Marine, and then we've got this other one here, and then we've got this one, and it gives us tons of affiliate marketing programs that we could use. So you simply go and sign up to these specific websites, and you'll get a custom affiliate link. But let me show you an example of this in action. Let's just pretend that this is our website, okay? You own this website. Now, obviously you don't own this website, but this is just a great example. And this is a article, so this is called camperreport.com. And on this website, there's content about RVs, right? Recreational vehicles. Now, for example, if I went and I clicked on this one and I went run offer and I got myself an affiliate link for this and I put it onto my website, Don't you think that's a smart thing to do? Because it relates to RVs. So I would go here and I would sign up to this website and I would get my custom link. So affiliate offer is just like a list, right? So they list the offer and the network is point, click, track. So you would sign up to point, click, track and get your affiliate link. And it would make sense if this was your website to promote that insurance because you're going to get $10 per lead. And if we actually look at another website here called Outdoor Troop, which is another one which does archery, boating, cabins, fishing, off-road and camping, they also do RV stuff. But I put this one into Ahrefs as well, and it gives me all of the information. And as you can see, right, these guys have most of their content, their most popular content on side-by-sides. So if we click on side-by-side, right, a side-by-side street legal, we can go into ChatGPT and we can go ahead and say, give me. So what I've done is I can then go into ChatGPT and I can say, give me the 10 best insurance companies for side-by-side ATVs or utility task vehicles. And it's given me exactly what I need. So all you need to do is create a website based on a specific topic, or in this case, they have multiple topics, and you can do that by researching these websites. And then you can go and ask ChatGPT to give you these affiliate marketing programs to go and put on your website to make money online. And as you can see, I created this page within a few seconds, essentially using ChatGPT. Obviously, you'll need to create the website. But that, guys, is how you can go and make money online with affiliate marketing using this weird niche that not many people really know about, because most people don't know you can actually do affiliate marketing with these insurance companies. I'll see you in the next video. Smash that like button, hit the notification bell so when my next video comes out, and I'll see you then.